is my first ever vlog, and I'm just gonna explain to you what the heck is happening because there's a lot of mess, lots of camera movements, lots of jerking, lots of bouncing, lots of confusion. So I'm gonna stand here and talk to you what is happening in my first ever vlog. Okay, so let's go. I start off being a wise soul, and I thought I will share my thoughts of that day. I've just got inspired by a video. Just don't worry about what people think. Don't worry about what people think. I thought I'd state that, and I thought I'd pause for that, because I'm thinking, wow, people really care about people think. Of course, care to an extent, but do not worry over those thoughts. Worry about your thoughts and your mindset and who you are and how well do you project yourself, or how well does the way you think you are is the same as who you really are in reality. Yes, it can always change, which is the blessing of life. So I just don't want you guys to care so much what people think. You end up, you know what happens when you care so much what people think. You worry, and you have this kind of, oh, I can't do this, oh, I can't wear this, oh my gosh, they're gonna think I'm a bohemian chick. Like, let them. But you know what's cool about some things is that you become a leader. You become a leader of yourself, and you end up controlling most of it, your own thoughts, the way you live, and your emotions. It's not easy. Did I say it's easy? I'm going to London, and it'll be a day of surprises really, because I don't know what way it will go or how it will go, but as long as we flow, let go. I don't know why I made that rhyming. Why did I make that rhyming? Come on. Oh, hey boo, this is my best angle. Hungry. You guys probably know this kitchen, because this is the kitchen I do my videos sometimes. So we're in the kitchen yet again. I'll show you a better bowl. We must respect the chef when you get a clean bowl, because it is pretty. Respect the chef. I'm waiting for the train right now, and I think I picked up the wrong shoes. It doesn't look cool. Like, I think I need some socks, so if I have time I might get some socks. So help man. But I'm just gonna pray that it's all in my head and no one looks at my foot. Okay? Up the wrong shoes. Oh, I think it looks a bit weird, but it's okay. It's okay. There's literally a deer behind me. Let me video it. Deer in front of me. Hello, deer.